Hawkers from Khandai Lat, represented by the Meghalaya Greater Shillong and Progressive Hawker and Street Vendors Association, staged a demonstration outside the Shillong Municipal Board SMB office, calling for immediate attention to unresolved issues. According to the association's secretary Shin Thaba, the protest was sparked after the Shillong Municipal Board failed to respond within a 2-day deadline following the submission of a letter on the 21st of January 2025. The letter requested an urgent meeting to discuss matters under the Town Vending Committee, particularly a government directive requiring vendors to sign relocation agreements for 2 designated sites. The hawkers declared that daily protests with placards would continue outside the SMB office until the authorities agree to convene a meeting to address their grievances and find a resolution.
Kajing penlongi bagi mantur yang sini municipal office namar shwa arsnya ka apply tarik ni wan bu city hang ne yang ba kidai ba aku tarik te yang bu city hang ni yang ba kidai ban khot kerki ya ka meeting ka ba long urgent jang ka professional town vending committee bangin yo ya kran ni yo ya mersing mod ha namar kajing ya shna kajing ya tei maki baki sei kata ka pisaro halor jengki nong dia madan teng jengki nong dia madan ban penlot ki klor tengingim sotana dhaba tempat dan kata kecing kran hati visi ro ba kata ka pisa kawan mano basim kontrak kan kat no kata ka pisa ka tingka ban penteri kam kita ki baru bendan kecing kran ta kadang ikwa ba ki dei ban kon bat lada mentas ngiwan hangni ngiwan song dharna lada kimya khot kimya ini beteng ba jangan kecing song dharna klam pat khot klam pat IST ta kadau ka sapelong ngi bangin yawan song dharna betul baik kat pakai pat khot
baru sisni ni
baru sisni man lakasni
malaksni betul ni yang ne
ha do bakin takut trai kini ingin semi rengkat